This is the best bath I've had since we came to Baja.
Good morning! So it turns out we are parked at a pretty unique location. Right along the shoreline, you can dig your own natural hot spring and then you have a little hot tub that you created yourself. It's a pretty popular spot, so Jake is already out there and has claimed a little spot on the beach for us to start digging our hot spring. So I'm just gathering up summer supplies and then I'm going to go join him. Hello!
Hey, how you doing?
Good, you?
Good.
How's the water?
Working on it. This is warm, that's less warm. So this hot water is seeping up from the top. So you dig a little one to get the hot water in, then you build a tide pool, and then you just diffuse it as it goes down the water so you get hot, cool, and cold.
It is really hot right there.
Yeah, it's really hot. Like my feet are burning.
We got to work moving the heavy rocks and carving out our pools, trying to get the correct balance between the piping hot water from the mountain
That's burning my feet. Oh, there we go.
and the cold ocean water to make the perfect hot tub. So geothermal water is coming in from the mountains, and we've got a series of pools here, and we're controlling the temperature with the ocean water and the hot water. And then as soon as a pool starts getting too hot, we're getting ready to move on to the next one. So we're slowly making our way further out to sea.
Ooh, that's hot.
You okay?
Yeah.
Bye.
I told you just gotta enjoy it when it's working.
How's your hot tub experience?
This is the best bath I've had since we came to Baja. That was a fun way to start the morning.
There's the van.
We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can really say, trust me, I won't let you down.
We're visiting La Ventana today, and our guidebook recommends a restaurant called Las Palmas for having some really good Mexican food. So we're gonna go check that out today.
De nada.
Gracias.
De nada.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks delicious. Chile rellenos and chicken enchiladas.
We saw there was some palapas right next to the restaurant where we had lunch, so we scouted it out and it looks like a great spot to call home for the night, so we're parked here. Good morning! We woke up before the sunrise this morning so that we could watch sunrise over the Sea of Cortez, since this might be one of our last opportunities to do that since we're moving to the mainland very soon.
This is one mine?
That's yours, and then mine's this way.
Nice.
How is your papaya?
Wonderful. Tropical. Nutritious. We really enjoy how good all of the fresh fruit is down here. There's amazing mangoes and avocados and really good papaya. It's just nice that all of it is fresh, fairly local, and it all seems to be decent quality.
Good boy. Some cows showed up.
It's not every day you see cows on the beach.
Are you watching them, Finnley?
So La Ventana is very famous for wind, and the biggest thing to do here is to kiteboard and windsurf. So we are not going to do that, but we're at the main beach here because we are going to watch people and marvel at their skills.
Hi, Dago. Can you see me? Let's say hello. Very windy.
That's so cool.
That was really fun watching the kiteboarders. There was so many out there and it was so windy. It looks like the kind of sport that we would both love to try, but lessons were about $200 a person, so it's not quite in the budget this time, but maybe in the future. Now we are going to head to the next bay a little further south. It's Ensenada de Muertos, and we're hoping that we can park there for the night. So we just drove to the lighthouse that is on the tip of the two bays, and we were hoping that we would be able to park here tonight, but it is way too windy. Whoa. Ah, God. So we're gonna keep going. There's another spot just down the bay that might work better. There. On the plus side though, this spot here, you get a cool view of the window, which is what La Ventana is named after.
Right there.
Okay, time to go. Up, up.
Go in. Up. Yes. Go in. Go, boy.
This is pretty. Looks like a cool spot to call home for the night. It's a lot calmer over here.
We are at Ensenada de Muertos. It is spectacularly beautiful. There's lots of sailboats, and there's a restaurant with a great view out over the bay. So we're gonna go have some lunch and just admire this incredible part of Baja.
So pretty here.
Gracias. Moderately spicy, won't melt your face off.
So we got a tamale, a chili relleno, and enchiladas. And then look at this view. How was lunch?
Oh, this was good. The food, the view is unreal. Like, I just pay here to sit here and look over here.
We were just sitting on the beach having our morning coffee and we saw what we thought were jumping fish across the bay, but we think it might actually be rays. So Jake's sending the drone over to go have a look.
What an incredible way to end our time in Baja. Next, we're heading back to La Paz to ship our van over to mainland Mexico to begin the next leg of our journey.